So working on the 36, the brake line just that was there inside of it, and it just blew. You can see the hole, so I had to cut it and make something custom. These hose, you can buy them. I got them for free, but from a sponsor. So these are E36 and I think E46, I'm not sure. So I had, everything was rusted, like everything. So I had to make a loop there to put these two like that, and I cut and installed a fitting right there. And it's just it's not a race, not a race car, but it's just a practice car, a fun car. So it's not like my S14 that everything is going to be perfect. So this is gonna do it. So that's the right side. I'm gonna do the left side now. Rust it out. So just remove this side. It popped. Like I didn't know if I wanted to do it, but I just pushed on it and it broke the line there. So yeah, but this side was better than the other because the other side I couldn't remove this. And I just removed everything at once and it went well. So now I will put the these back line, these line back, and it's gonna be brand new. I will do something. I think I will cut around here and put a new fitting, and it's gonna be brand new. So I just did the left side. This side was way easier because I could retain the in between. Like this is the in between. I still made a new one, even if this one is not rust out, but like, this is brand new. So I could retain that. So the lines are just like OEM, but I did not use this because this part I had to cut further away, but it still managed to be on the other side of the arms. So quote unquote, it's really better than it was. So I just finished the brake lines on the rear, and now I need to swap the differential. It's 3.15 or 21, and I bought a 3.91. So it's gonna be easier to drift because it's stock motor. So with the 391 is gonna be more happy. So I already undid the axles and the drive shaft. Now I need to do the sway bar so I can access to the bolts, diff bolts. And after that, it's 3 bolts, the sensor here, and it's going down. So I just finished swapping the diff, and this one is, oh, this one is tight. Like the other one had a big backlash, and this one is really good, and this one is a 391, so it will be possible to drift in 2 and be in the high revs, because I was in 2 with the other diff, and it was bogging. Like I was, even with clutch kicks, was bogging. So I can't wait to see with this one. It was gonna be better. So yesterday I was up till 3 in the morning to prepare the E36, because we're gonna go thrifting today. We're gonna go test the E36. I have a lot of parts to put on it, but right now the diff swap that we made yesterday, game changer. The car feels way better. Now I have a little problem with the brakes, but I guess we can clutch kick and don't use the handbrake. So yeah, we're gonna put this in the trailer and go to iCar.
A few moments later.
Well, did not go as planned. I burned 0 tire. As soon as I pulled the E36 from the trailer, there was a fire on the engine bay. So I just looked at it, and it's the MAF plugs. So another day, another repair. It's supposed to be a fun car. So yeah, if you want to see more about the E36, just like and subscribe, and it's gonna help us to grow the channel, and maybe do more things.